Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Trendyol customer support fast step by step. First, open the Trendyol website or app on your device and log into your account using your email address or phone number. Once you are logged in, go to the home page and look for the help and support option. Usually you can find it in the menu section or at the bottom of the page. Now click on help and support. After opening it, you will see different support categories and assistance options available for users. Here, look for the Trendyol Assistant option and tap on it. Once the assistant opens, you will see different topics such as orders, returns and refunds, payments, shipping, and more. Select the category that matches your problem. For example, if your issue is related to a delayed order, choose the order section. If you want a refund, select returns and refunds. After choosing the topic, explain your issue clearly in the chat box. Try to provide complete details like your order number, payment problem, or refund request so the support team can help you faster. You may also upload screenshots if needed to explain the issue better. Once you submit your request, the Trendyol support system will review it and provide guidance or connect you with customer service. So overall, contacting Trendyol customer support is very simple if you use the Trendyol assistant correctly.